This video will go over how to use your COVID test kit properly. When opening the kit, take care not to rip or crumple the box, since you will be using this box to return the COVID test kit. Here's what you will find in your test kit. Before you get started, you will need to register your kit on your patient portal at www.uscg-covid-testing.com. If you have any issues with this process, please contact your recruiter. You should have already received 2 emails prior to receiving your COVID test kit. One of the emails should have the SF600 form attached that you need to print out and fill in now. Before starting, wash your hands thoroughly so as not to contaminate the sample, and avoid eating or drinking anything 30 minutes before collecting your sample. Open the package containing the tube, funnel, and tube cap with blue liquid inside of it. Using the tube and funnel, you will collect your saliva up to the indicated line, not including any bubbles that may have formed. Please do not overfill. Once your saliva is collected, remove the funnel and screw on the tube cap with the blue liquid. Make sure the cap is on tightly and then shake the tube for 5 seconds to mix the blue liquid with your saliva. Now, take the alcohol pad and wipe down the entire outside of the tube and cap. Immediately place the sealed tube in the clear bag, remove the adhesive strip, and fold over to close the bag. In the instructions booklet is a page with a barcode on it. That barcode is a sticker that you will now remove and place on your SF600 form in the indicated box. Do not return the SF600 form with your COVID test kit. You will need to keep that form with you when you go to boot camp. On the page you removed the barcode from, fill in the month, day, and year the saliva is being collected on. Place the instructions booklet, along with a sealed bag containing your tube of saliva, into the white box. Remove the adhesive strip on the box tab and seal the box closed. If your white box has a return label on it, you're done. Drop the box off at the indicated delivery service on the return label. Some kits may have a return envelope or bag to place the white box in. If so, place the box inside and drop it off at the indicated delivery service on the return label. Once you drop off your COVID test kit, contact your recruiter so they know to look out for the results. Now you can check out your patient portal for results yourself. If you do not see test results posted a week before your ship date, contact your recruiter to let them know so that they can set up a test near you so that you will have test results before arriving at boot camp.